Up or down? Up or down? That is exactly the question that everybody wants to figure out. Is Bitcoin gonna take a piss here and we're just gonna go straight down to, you know, hell and never ever freaking recover? Is this the end of the pullback? I am hearing myself. and that is a problem. I gotta get that fixed. So this is exactly what I'm gonna talk about today. Guys, I am hearing myself. Can you hear me? That is a problem. Gotta get that fixed. Sorry about this. Here we go. All right, so welcome everybody. We've got 30 people watching. I was actually very surprised to see the waiting room had 20-something people. Welcome to everybody who is a new subscriber. Welcome to the old ones. Let me know in the chat if you're here. Smash the like button and subscribe as well. We've got 50 people watching. Absolutely incredible. We are going to deep dive right now. I had this thing brought up here, so I stopped it, and now I am able to bring up my screen. Let me know in the chat if you are here. Let me know. I want to see you. I wanna feel that you're here. Dre is here. Paul is here. Girls Crypto Experience is here. Are here both of you? I see. Pun intended. I like that. I like that. Fun. All right. Let's put the music back on because we do like the music. Do we like the music? If you do like the music, let me know. If not, I'm sorry to hear. All right. Here we go. So here's what I'm thinking. If you've been here yesterday. Martina is present as well. If you have been here yesterday, you know what we're waiting for. If you have not been here yesterday, I'm gonna give you a short recap. Everybody, hey, nice seeing everybody here. Yo, what is happening? Yo, what is happening? Come to YouTube, everybody. I see 40 people watching on Twitter. Come to YouTube, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the chat because that's what you can do. That's how we can communicate. Obviously, we are going to look at some coins as well. So if you have any questions, any requests, anything, let me know. We are going to do that. I see the likes coming in. I truly appreciate if you smash the like button. So if you have not been here yesterday, I'm gonna show you a recap. I'm gonna show you a recap on what I was explaining yesterday. So first of all, I deleted everything here for some reason. Maybe it's here. No, it's not here. So first of all, we had liquidity here. Again, for anybody who is returning, sorry, this is going to be something that we talked about yesterday, but I still want to mention it because I think it's relevant. So we had a liquidity raid here. This is what we call a liquidity raid. So we raided this liquidity here very nicely. Therefore, this became a 4-hour POI. So if you look at it, also an hour early, but if you want to mark it here, this would be my major POI. You see, this is the closure of the candle. This is where we wicked through, took liquidity from here. This is what we've been talking about. And then we started recovering here. So I would consider this as a major level, a major order block that we needed to retrace this. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, that is exactly what happened. So we came and we retraced to this 4-hour point of interest and showed a bounce. So if you follow me on Twitter, you know I've tweeted about this right here when we saw this 15-minute market structure shift happening, a higher high after a long consolidation area. I saw this happen, and from there I tweeted that we are potentially going higher. Now that's exactly what's been happening, but the problem really is that we've got some trouble cooking here. Trouble cooking. I'll tell you the good and the bad news, but before that, I'm gonna look at the chat. Yo, here, let's go. Hey, Fran, I see you as well. Hey. Mike is here. How you looking near today? Well, let's look at near as well. We are going to look at near as well. We are looking at near as well. We got into a trade. I'm underwater here with Wild. Again, this is a manual stop, so we don't consider that. This was my entry. I averaged down a little bit. I'm underwater, but everything seems to be fine. Everything seems to be fine. Someone please let me know if you've been here or if you have taken the trades or whatever. Let me know. I really want to know. So, let's look at this. Market structure shift. Bitcoin comes back 50. Completes the 50% retracement to the discount, and from here pumps 10%. This is a very strong level. The way market makers work is that they engineer liquidity in order to be able to get their orders in. I just realized that, yeah, in order to be able to get their orders in. So when you see a liquidity being engineered on the chart, and after time following this channel, you will know how to spot these areas. you know that something is happening, right? So you want to identify the levels that has had major pumps or dumps. We call them bullish or bearish order blocks. And you want to find the liquidity that is being engineered around these levels. So that is exactly what we see here. The good news is, it's so nice seeing you guys. We've got 40 people watching live. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the channel. If you are new, subscribe. If you are returning, smash that like button. I appreciate it. And let me know in the chat. Yo, dude, enjoy the energy. Thank you. Thank you for being here. John in the house. Hello, hello, hello. Great. So, going back to this thing. The good part about this is the following. I'm going to tell you the bad part. The bad part is we didn't close above 68. So I tweeted about this. I said we need to close above 68 here. If we don't close above, we are fucked. Basically, that's what I said. And we kind of are, right? So this is our major, again, why this is the bearish OB. This is the bearish order block. This caused the dump that basically took all this liquidity here, relative equal lows and whatnot, and came right into the 4-hour POI. So this is a very strong level. We need to take this level. What did I say? The market makers usually engineer liquidity. If you consider this, it's coming down into a major point of interest, right? It's coming down and it needs to engineer liquidity. So what happened here, it did engineer liquidity here and here. And it did engineer liquidity with these relative equal lows. So it did engineer liquidity for it to take into the 4-hour point of interest. Also here, you see people going long here. They got their stop losses down here, got stopped out. People getting long here, got stopped out here. So this was all fine into the 4-hour point of interest. Then we need to see a bounce. The bounce usually works in a way that you need to see a strong market structure shift on all time frames. And obviously, you want to see a market structure shift on the hourly. You will need to see that on the 15-minute. If you want to see it on the 15-minute, you will need to see it on 5 and 5 to 1. So that's how it works. So if you look at the 15-minute chart, we got the market structure shift here. It's a strong market structure shift. We dump, take liquidity, close below, a little bit of fuckery around, and then we move on. Then we come back 50%, and we move on. So this is perfect price action. Perfect price action. But you want to see the same thing on the hourly. So I go onto the hourly, I see the same thing. Perfect price action. Look at this. You can consider this as a high as well. This could be considered as the market structure shift on a higher time frame, so it's also good. But this here is definitely a market structure shift. So this here is a strong level because also it came back 50, so there was a 50% retrace. It's up in the premium. This is a very strong level here. So because we come and reject from there, dump, take liquidity, and reclaim that level, very nice. That means we need to see a market structure shift on the 4-hour. Well, this is where the problem starts happening. Why is this not a strong level? Because there is only 2 consecutive candles. I need at least 3 consecutive candles to confirm if a level is a strong level. So this here is rather just a retest on the 4-hour, and I would not call that as a major level. So then let me look at the comments. Comments are going crazy, guys. Pump the comments. I see 88 people on Twitter. Come to YouTube, guys. Let's start ICP. We can do that. I've been doing that on the show. I was long ICP, got out. Hello, everyone. Greetings from old Germany. You always say good old Germany, man. It's good to see you. Wish you all a great day. A good start in the weekend. Hey, have you covered mantra? Not yet. We can talk about it. I want to see a lot more time side and or more down. I love the 2D with the Katana and Bollinger Bands. And then the squeeze more. Maybe. We can see. We can see. Smash the like button and give the algo. Give the algo some love. Good. So here is that problem. We did not close above the 4-hour. What does that mean? That's the bad news, right? The bad news is that we didn't close above. That means we might have more downside. If we have more downside, the next stop is 50, 56, 55, 56, somewhere here. So what's the good news? Good news is that we have created liquidity and we are creating massive buy-side liquidity. Buy-side liquidity is liquidity above liquidity here. So again, if you short here, you put your stop loss here. Short here, put your stop loss here, and here, and here, and here, and here. And so a lot of people say, okay, so this here is a double top on this retracement. We're all going lower. If it is a double top, and this is, we're already talking about the good news soon. So if it is double top, we should have seen a very strong rejection. we should have seen this. Retrace, bam! This is a rejection. Then again, here is the OB, right? Retrace, bam! Right? So this we don't see. What do we see though? We see a massive pump here, a massive pump with fair value gaps, inefficiencies. Only the buyers moving on this are active in this area. We don't see any bearish candles. And then we see a slow bleed down. Now this slow bleed is good. Why is it good? It's good because we are building what? Yes, liquidity. We are building liquidity. And by building liquidity, we have a lot of people shorting here, and they will all put their stop losses here. That's what the market maker wants. So obviously nothing we do here is financial advice. Nobody knows what the fuck is gonna happen in the market. Everybody just has an idea and do shows like this and just talks about it. And maybe they are right, maybe they are wrong, but I'm gonna tell you what my theory is. And this is the good news. My theory is the following. We have a massive market structure shift here in the 4-hour point of interest and very big buy-side liquidity built up. We have a massive pump taking the hourly and the 15-minute market structure, basically creating a 15-minute and an hourly market structure shift. And then slowly bleeding kind of way retraces to the discount zone, the 50% level down here on this leg. That gives us, first of all, a very good invalidation area. A very good invalidation area. So my invalidation for us going higher is a close below 62,000. A close below 62,000 on the 4-hour, on the hour is a strong indication for me that we are going lower. However, we're coming down very, very slowly. We can start chopping here. We can start doing this for weeks and whatever until the how we can start doing this. This can easily happen. If this happens, that's very good for the odds. We can talk about that in a second. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I see a lot of people watching on YouTube. That's very good. I'm very happy to see it. Want to build this channel. I'm gonna come to you every single day I tried. Subscribe and smash the like, please. Leave a comment as well. Helps me, helps the algo, and eventually helps you. So, because we're coming down slowly, it tells me that the market maker wants another push. And that's, now I'm shifting back to the bad news. Because here, technically there is no reason for us to come back higher. So again, I want to try to make these shows as educational as possible as well, other than giving alpha. So when you have something like this, when the market does this and it starts coming down like this, if the retracements are not at least 50%, this is just a simple fib with a 50% setting. So I just took out all the irrelevant stuff and just left 0, 0.5 and 1. If it doesn't retrace all the way to 50, that's an inefficient move. And that means that at any point in time, it can take... Technically, if we would take a high, we would say it's a market structure shift, a change of character. We have been forming a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower lower, and now we have a higher high. Oh, we are going up, so we can start longing. Now that's not technically not right. Why? Because if the market did not retrace 50%, then it can still go for the 50% retracement. It's called something premium zone that market makers make. They don't want to buy in discount. They don't want to sell in discount. They only want to sell in premium, and they don't want to buy in premium, or they want to sell in premium. So if it didn't retrace, you have to pull the fib more lower, and then you have to pull the fib lower, and then you see something where you see a retracement, everybody going long like a motherfucker, and the problem is that it was just a retrace to the 50, potentially touching onto an OB, even me vicking through, taking liquidity, showing a sign of retracement. We have an initiation, we have a retrace, and then we nuke. So I don't know how much of this is understandable for you guys. Let me know in the chat. But what we can see here is, number one, there is no reason for us to retrace. Technically, if we break above this high, there is no reason for us to reject anywhere here. So we have a clear way to new all-time highs. That's based on TA, that's what I would say. There is 50 retracement here. And if I pull from here, there is 50 retracement here. If I pull from here, there is a 50% retracement here. And if I pull from here, there is a 50% retracement here. So because we broke above here, technically this is a 50% retracement and moving on to new all-time highs. There is literally nothing stopping us. So why am I still concerned? And I'm concerned because I'm actually not concerned. I'm concerned about one thing. That's the daily equilibrium. We haven't come down. We didn't come down to the daily equilibrium here, which will be around 56,000, 55, 56,000. That can happen. I don't know if it will happen. Usually it does happen, but if it does happen, obviously we're gonna see a major correction. I am worried about it, but I'm not that concerned. What I'm rather concerned is that we didn't break above the 4-hour high. So why am I still bullish? And I'm still bullish because there is no reason for us, again, to go higher than the 1-hour high. There is just no reason. So if the market makers wanted us to go lower, they would have not let the price go above. They would have protected the 65,500. They would just have protected it. Now, this does look scary. Gonna be honest. This does look fucking scary. So, but that's exactly what the market makers wants as well. So for me, here's what I'm thinking. We have retraced 50%. I thought this was it because if you look at the 15, no, that's the problem. That's exactly what I wanted to say. So by retracing 50%, I was also talking about it yesterday. We did retrace 50%, but we did not have a market structure shift here, which means on the retrace, we need to see, at least on the 5-minute, we need to see a market structure shift. Oh, but we did have that. No, sorry. Yeah, on the 15-minute, we didn't have it, but on the 5-minute, we did have it. It's actually a very good example of what I just explained. Look at it. So here, it's a very good representation of what I just explained. So here, we do have a 50, this is a 5-minute chart. We do have a 50% retrace. Then I pull it from here to here, 50% retrace is done here. Then I pull it from here to here, 50% retrace done here. Then I pull it from here, and there's no 50% retrace. Until here, right? Not even here, right? So if I, there is no 50% retrace here. There is no 50% retrace, so you know the market has to go back. So even though this seems like a very strong level, market still has to go back to 50%. So what you say is, let's go. So then if we close above here, that can still just be, a trap. However, again, it was a very strong market structure shift. This is why I said that we could go long here. It actually came back 50, as we explained. As talked about it yesterday. This could have been a trade. We talked about this yesterday. But what you see here is what happened. Let me just delete this here. So what you see here is that it does come back, but now it's taking this 5-minute low, and that's not ideal. That's not ideal. However, we're still in discounts. We're still in the great area for the market maker to turn this around. We have not closed below the 62,000, which is the level that these guys are going to protect. We need to see a 5-minute market structure shift for us to confirm the potential reversal. So if you look at the 5-minute, this is 3 consecutive candles. 3 consecutive green candles, or blue in my case, but bullish candles. We do have a close below now. As actually we're doing this show at the perfect time. We do close below here. That means there is only one problem. If we break above back here, that's a strong indication, but again, if you paid attention, we can still just come for the 50%, which is 65K. So we need to see a break above this level to confirm fully that we are reversing. And that's probably gonna be the high of the 15-minute, and this is gonna be the high of the 1 hour as well. 8 minutes from now, we're gonna close the hourly. If we close the hourly, below here, that confirms this as a strong high. If this is a strong high and we are able to claim it, we are going to claim it on the PM session. No, on the AM session. That's perfect, guys. Fucking, it's gonna be incredible. It's early. This is gonna be, it's gonna be a great show. I'll tell you why it's gonna be a great show, because if I'm right, it's gonna be legendary. It's gonna happen in the next 2-3 hours. If I'm wrong, then we're all gonna get fucked, but we're gonna talk about that. Let me look at the chat. Fighting a bear is easier than riding a bull. Invest head and shoulder. Yeah, people say that can be. And the bull flag leading into weekend trap retail. Exactly, I'm gonna talk about this in a second. Missed 10 minutes, no problems. I'm happy you're here. Hey, kind of understand that side. Wow, dude, that is awesome. You know what awesome? 𝗕𝗢𝗙𝗢𝗙, you are awesome, my friend. I'll even give you this. Cetus is another. We can talk about that as well. Yup, with a nice slow bleed, let the shorts build up and is to build a long position and when showtime. Hey, bro. What's up, bro? Good. We are also, just want to tell you. Okay, I'm going to tell you something funny. I created another YouTube channel. I'm even fucking... So I created another YouTube channel. I'll show you why. So first of all, I wanted to say that we're almost at 2,000 subscribers, which I'm very happy about. Very, very happy. Like I'm super, super grateful for you guys. It's awesome. It's awesome. Almost at 2,000 subscribers. Here's the thing. I want to talk about all kind of, I'm much more than trading. Just talking about crap and just having fun and whatnot. So I made this YouTube channel, and now don't laugh and don't, seriously, it's gonna be like a meme coin, except it's not gonna rug. So I made this channel. So I made this channel. It's 𝗕𝗢𝗙𝗢𝗙𝗘, that's my name. Down in the description you see it. And I'm literally just gonna talk about stuff that. So I just made this video. Look, you can't make this shit up. Look. So I'm sitting in my studio and I'm thinking, why not? Why shouldn't I? 4 views. There are 4 views. Oh
make
my
a blog.
God.
And then I was like, okay, let's make this channel. So I made a 𝗕𝗢𝗙𝗢𝗙𝗘 channel. This is gonna be my personal channel. If I'm gonna do anything here, I don't wanna go crazy editing it first and all that. I'm just probably gonna do videos like this. So share my thoughts, share what I'm thinking, what's going on with banter and crypto but literally just, or in my life or what I think about stuff. Yeah, just, just pursuing happiness and building generational wealth. At the same time, trying to find myself and who I am and stuff like that. So yeah, if you like this or you're interested in the journey without any expectations, then subscribe. If not, that's absolutely fine as well. So yeah.
Yeah, so I made this channel. So if you want to subscribe, that's awesome. I don't know what I'm going to post. I have no idea what this is going to be about, but I think it's fun. There's a link in the description. Check it out. But let me look at these. And then I'm going to talk about my underwater trades as well. Don't worry. Then we go. Nice green screen. Ha! I painted it. It's not the best, but it does the job. Look like you have time again. That's great. Looks like you have time again. Yeah, I'm getting there. Slowly. Still not perfect, but I'm getting there. Nice green. Yeah. Just subscribe. There we go. Ahoy, Nitro Bunny in the house. Love to see you. 5 now. Lol. Yeah. 5 views. Okay. So let's get back to work. Got work to do. So my theory is the following. If we hold above, this is the OB, right? This is the 1 hour PY. 1 hour PY. This is what we want to pay attention to. If we hold above here and don't bleed through, I'm not saying we won't. I'm just saying if we hold above here, we're good. We're safe. The New York session is coming up. New York opens very soon. I think it opens in half an hour. If this closes in 3, and it will close, I might take this trade live with you. This will close. The hourly will close in 3 minutes. Once the hourly closes, that confirms this as a strong high. Once this high is confirmed as strong, I think the market makers will send this to Valhalla. I believe that we're gonna see something like this happen. Bam, maybe a little bit of retrace, and then push. Question is where? Question is, where do we push? Several things that I see. I don't even want to talk about us breaking below 62,000 because then it's 55. Like if we break below 62, it's 55. I don't think we should talk about that. If we push, and if I'm right, then we're gonna come up to this. Then we're gonna come up to this point of interest. The real magic will happen here because this is actually the level that was responsible for taking this liquidity. It's a very strong lever here. It's a very strong level. Question is, are we going to make a new all-time high and then reject and go down to the 50 on the daily? Or are we going to go up to this level, right? reject from here and then go down, or go up, create a new all-time high, and just simply push. Simply push. That's what I'm thinking. Let's look at alts. Also very important, guys. Look at USDT dominance. USDT dominance is building up liquidity. It will most likely come a little bit lower. It created relative equal lows. This is liquidity. It will most likely come down to this 3.5-ish. Come down, come lower here. That will be enough for us to see a new all-time high and then a massive crash before halving. That's what I would kind of imagine. And then we're looking at 6, 7. So this will really pump. It will pump like 40%. That will be, you know, USDT dominance is basically how much of the money in crypto is sitting in USDT. That's what this shows. Right now it's about 4.37%. That means that everybody is deployed. That means that, you know, everybody is deployed, and it is negatively correlated to the Bitcoin price and altcoin price and all that. So we gotta see the dominance, USDT dominance low for us to be able to ride the bull. But if USDT dominance starts retracing, then we have a problem, and that's exactly what I think is going to happen. We're gonna come lower. So the hourly is closing in 30 seconds. That's perfect. Then we have to see a 5-minute market structure shift. If we close above here, fucking long the shit out of this. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking is going to happen. Let's look at my underwater. Oh, it's not even that underwater. Near, I'm bullish near. Also, fundamental is good. Like it's gonna it has a great potential. Also, it retraced on the daily. It has created, you know, triple top. It created liquidity for, you know, created retail liquidity. Just enough for us to start pushing. So it looks beautiful. I don't like the fact that it is creating liquidity now as well. So if you look at this, it is not good. It is not good. Also, if I just look at the short term here, it's not the best. But I think massive liquidity built up on the top. I think it's good. The only problem here that I have, that I explained previously, the 50%. We didn't retrace 50 on this leg. So if we come up to this 7.3 region, gotta pay attention. If we see a rejection there, that's a problem. Potentially from 7.3 or even from 7.6. We gotta see that. Mike, we long near. Currently long near and INJ. Me too. What do we long? Just joining now. How is BTC doing? Holding there, my friend. Holding there. Okay. So this is one of my plays. I'm in. Here, I'm fucking drowning in this, guys. I'm drowning. I'll open my position in a second. Let me just take this drawing off. Okay, so the hourly closed. Send it. It will be such a fucking cool clip if this sends now. It will be so nice. It will be so nice, but New York is still not open. New York is still not open. We've got 50 people watching on YouTube. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you like this content. Smash the like button, leave a comment. Not only on the live, but leave a comment under the video so the algo picks it up. I appreciate you all. So we need to see a break above here. This is what I think will happen. Maybe a little bit like this. And then like this. Something like this. Alright, let's look at wild. It's wild, guys. It's wild. So I have a confession to make. I am not proud of it, but I'm gonna say it. I stopped using stop losses. I know. But I have a very good reason why I did that. And the reason is because it's the bull market. And I believe that in the next 12 to 18 months, we are going to go only up. That means we are going to have corrections, and I'm prepared. But in general, I think we are going to go almost only up. Now, if we go only up, then I can't really get stuck in a position if I have enough cash, right? If I have enough cash, I can't really get stuck because then I just have to put more margin. And as I'm me putting more margin, then the position kind of get liquidated. It's a very stupid strategy. Very stupid strategy. But you are not falling victim for all these liquidity hunts. And I think that I don't actually know if it's a good idea. I don't actually know if I'm just testing it. I don't know if it's a good idea to do this, but so far, if you can stomach being down you know, 50, 60, 70% on a trade, that's then you know, then you can potentially do that. Okay, let me bring this back up. So this is one of my trades. Someone's saying long Doge. We can look at it. The crypto noob is in the house. Yeah. Nice. So did I, and I got fucked a couple of days ago. I'm sorry for laughing. And yeah, it's bad. It's bad. You can really get fucked. Don't not use stop losses. You gotta use stop losses. I mean, I can't be stopped not using. You know what I can say to that? This is me, bruv. I can't. This is me, bruv. I mean, I can't be stopped not using a stop loss. I figured it out. Market makers can't fuck me. It's a good idea if you use isolated trades and auto margin replenishment. Yeah, but no. So isolated margin, it's exactly not good with isolated margin. Because if you're with isolated margin, you can't. So with isolated margin, you can add to the position. Yes, you can add to the position if you want to, but that's, you basically don't add margin, but you add to the position. You purchase more on any given time, and that lowers your entry price and therefore lowers your liquidation. But with isolated margin, the problem is that you can't add just margin. You have to add to that specific position. And also with isolated margin, usually stop losses are or liquidation price is much tighter because the exchange is taking much more risk. So look at it. Look, what is happening here? What is happening here? Now I'm getting cocky. This is exactly what I should just get out of the position. Okay, anyway, I'm not gonna get cocky. Maybe we go down. Maybe. But this so far is playing out. Now we just have to pump. That's all I need. I just need a pump. Okay. So doing it cross, again, this is a degen account. It's not, don't do it at home. Don't try this at home, okay? It's really like, and again, nothing is financial advice. And I see 60 people and only 43 likes. What we can do a Solana giveaway. If we break above here, we can do that. And if we get 50 likes on this video, 50, let's do 55. Let's do 55 likes. If we get that, we can do a Solana giveaway, 20 bucks. I mean, can be stop using, okay, it's a good idea if you use isolated trades. Yes, we talked about it, not smart. Yeah. Hola, Doge or Ondo, longing from here. Roscoe is laughing. It's funny, huh? Let's see what goes. Okay, so here's the thing, near. I'm not that underwater near. Let me look at the position. This is not showing the correct thing. Let me refresh this. I don't even know why I started showing this. I'm not even gonna show these probably. So I'm up $1,000 on near. I explained near. I talked about this. We go 7.3. I think is doable. 7.3 is doable. I would reconsider off below here. I would reconsider below 5.5. I have manual stop. We are building up liquidity. I think it's fine. I think we're gonna go at least 7.3. WorldCoin. I don't know what this is, to be honest. I mean, I know what WorldCoin is, obviously, but I'm not a believer in WorldCoin. So, where with near you have a bit of a fundamental thing. Here with WorldCoin, I mean, it's good, but fundamentally, I don't know if what's gonna happen with this in the next. Only the AI stuff is good with the conference and whatnot. Maybe it's gonna. And the good thing about, but the good thing about this is the chart. Like, I love this. I mean, you cannot not like this. Market structure break. First of all, if you look at the 4 hour, it comes back 50 on the daily here. So this is the retrace on the daily. Then it comes back. Do you like the music? Is it good? Let me know, please. Then it comes back to the 4 hour POI here. Then if I go down to 15-minute. So it's saying, smash the like for Fefe. That's what's up. Like, 44th. Nice. Ha! We got 50 likes. Now we got 5 more. Okay. And I'm going to choose someone from the comment section under the video. So not the live chat, the comment section. Woo! It's gonna be such a fucking, if this works out, I'm gonna be so happy. This is such a great, good. I might take an isolated 100x Should we do that? I think we are going up from here. Let's do an isolated 100x. Just because you guys are degens. This is, by the way, Blofin. The best trading platform out there. Best exchange, I promise you. Not financial advice. There is a link in the description. Try them out. Blofin. Absolutely fucking incredible. Self-custodial, non-KYC, available worldwide. Very good. What should we do? Should we do like some small amount? Let's do like 300. Let's do $400. Oh, I put it cross, so that's not good. Let me close the position. We can leave it. Let's leave it. I wanted to do isolated because then I can't, like, it stops me out, but someone is calling me. We're trading. He's not watching the channel and he's definitely not subscribed. But you guys are. So we have 52 likes. Still need some. We got 60 people watching. There is one person on Twitch watching. One person. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you watching on Twitch. Good job. I made Twitch, I don't know, probably, you know, on Twitch, what I see, I started doing, like, I did this stuff on Twitch, and then people just commented and said, like, anybody who watched on Twitch, I thought they were, like, really just watching, and they all just came to let me know that they have some very nice service, and that they can do some logos and stuff. So, yeah, I don't know about that. Okay, let's go. So I want to get into Sui. How looking chart possible entry? We can look at it. Mike, there is no comment. Not on a live. Oh, okay. There's no comment. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Hello from the Philippines. I love Philippines. Where are you from in the Philippines? Let me know. Maybe I've been there. Anyway, I wanted to talk about my other positions underwater. I'm going to get a scuba diving kit here for next time. I'm seriously going to get it. I'm actually going to note it down. So next time I can bring it. So when I'm underwater, I'm going to put that on. Snorkel gear for when I'm underwater. If you like this content, guys, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. I'm gonna do a fool of myself if I do this. Like the music. Nice. Okay, so anyway, let's talk real stuff here. Liquidity creation, liquidity taken. We have to close above here, then we can moon. But in general, I think it looks very good on the hourly, on the 4 hour, on the 15 minute. I think it's ready to fucking explode. Same thing with this, what I explained. Oh, no, it came back 50. Yeah, it came back 50. Came back 50. Yeah, the problem is it just came back 50. Yeah, so technically we could break below. I would reconsider below 738. If you go below that, but it's massive. Like, look at this. Like, this is what kind of I'm expecting. So if you look at the whole price action of this chart, I explained this again yesterday. I just want to reinforce why I'm down $2,000 on this trade. But you know, it's low, high, low. Then we have a higher high, then we higher low, and I expect us to have a push from here. I expect us to have like a decent push from here. We're looking at a 50% move. Yeah, taking this on leverage is not a smart move, especially not without a stop loss, but you know, you can never know. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're down $50. What to do? So that's my WorldCoin thing. I will not add now. I have a buy at 725 because if we take this liquidity, I think we are going to have a retrace, and then I'm probably going to get out there depending on how we close. But that's the idea here. And then I have another position. What is that? INJ. We need 2 more likes for the giveaway, guys. 2 more likes. Yeah, so same explanation here. My only problem is that we have a little bit of... No, it is enough. It is enough. It is enough. It is enough. The only problem here is the retrace. That's my only problem. My only problem is that we have not had the retrace, and this could have been the one. It could have been the one, but we will never know, I guess. We will never know, I guess. I mean, we will know, but we'll never know now. So we need to take a chance here. I think liquidity is building up. Beautiful chart. And we might victory because of these relative equal lows. And then move on. This is my entry here. That's not even my entry. Why am I in minus if that's my entry? What's my entry? 36.27. Yeah, because I thought I was smart and I added more. What was it? 36.27. 36.27. There we go. Oh yeah, that's why I'm in minus. Yes, so we are going to wait for that. We are retracing 50% of this lag. This would be invalidation there. Let's see what this does. Okay, let's look at the chat. Somebody saying, love the show. I love you, Dave. You get a bag. Nice. Sound effects, yeah. Okay, how I enter your group? Any free spots? I don't have a group. I don't have a group. That's the best part. We have started a fucking incredible Discord with very, very nice people, and I just don't have time. I just see, literally, it's just I'm struggling with time. So, but maybe we you know, we'll see. Maybe we sorted. Let's watch 𝗠𝗢 Cup and Handle. Let's watch 𝗠𝗢. Let's go. Jonas Brothers. Sorry, it's just a joke. Or is it? No, it is. 𝗠𝗢. Then I have to go. And I said I don't have time. Oh, by the way, guys, you know what I wanted to say? We can talk about 𝗠𝗢 as well. But look at this. Yesterday, I talked about this channel. Let's just... So this is the reason why you should follow this channel and subscribe and be the shows. Look at this. Yesterday, again, because I don't have time, I have not taken almost any of these trades. But look at this. What did I have my drawings from yesterday. What did I say? 50% then pump. Look at this. Literally, this is what I've drawn. Go check the show yesterday. It's a 7% pump from touching the 50%. FTM. Literally, look at this. Literally touches the 50%. Up 17% since then. It's yesterday's show. It didn't come back. Metis didn't come back. Rune comes back, pumped. 5%, not much. Well, obviously the coin that I'm in is not pumping yet, so it's fine. 𝗕𝗢, we had 𝗕𝗢 as well. I said I was, oh, I'm still, no, did I? Oh, I'm still in 𝗕𝗢, yeah. Oh yeah, that's that 𝗕𝗢 trade. Yeah, I'm still in 𝗕𝗢, yes. So we're still in 𝗕𝗢. I think this also can be pumping. True, didn't come back. Floki, look at this. Floki literally comes down here, and I said you buy spot. 17%. It came back to the bearish OB. STX didn't came back. 𝗧𝗥𝗔𝗗𝗘. We didn't see a reaction. I think it was down here already at some point yesterday. No. Anyway, so what I'm saying is that it comes back 50. So look at this as well. It comes back 55%. So if you look at 𝗠𝗢, you will see the same thing, that I'm waiting for a 50% retrace. It's building up liquidity nicely, but I'm waiting for a 50% retrace. I don't want to buy above premium. I don't want to buy in premium. I want to buy in discount down here. So that would be ideal if it comes back down. But again, this is a very strong level, by the way. This level here took liquidity. So this is a very... Technically, this could be a very strong level. We might not come lower. If you can see a strong reaction, so close above here, that could be an interesting long. Could be an interesting long. Patrick is laughing. Are you looking at gold? No, I'm not looking at gold now, no. On YouTube, instead of Twitch, we can increase picture charts on small devices. That is an explanation. Gotta go bye, everybody. Thanks, John. Thanks for being here. Nitro Bunny, bye. Yo. Like. Now let's go. I love the show, but the music is not my cup of tea. Hey, a British lady here. Do you think Nitro Bunny is a lady, actually? We had that discussion. Nitro Bunny, you gotta disclose that at some point. You gotta change your profile picture for something that we know. You don't have to dox yourself, but they're gonna fuck shorts and longs for weeks, ranging all the time, and then send it. This is how I started the show. I said we can literally just chop here. But this is getting not nice. This is getting not nice. We see that we need to see when is New York opening. It's 15 minutes. Guys, it has to pump. I'm gonna hold it for you. Let's get this giveaway. People smash the like. Oh, we are at 57. We are at 57. We are at 57. So we can do the giveaway. Let me know your soul address in the chat. We can do that. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Impossible to join the dog. You get this, Dorina, you get this. Impossible to join the Discord. No, I don't know, guys. We have to figure this out. If you want a Discord, yeah, we can make it happen. But it's just time. Something is coming. I know down the line things are going to come. It's gonna be awesome, but it takes time. And I don't want to commit. Let's go, 𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗘 in the house. I do not, if this is a coincidence, like I am long on positions on cross margin and without stop loss. Literally laughing now. Ren just shilling. Ren is not live now. Ren is just shilling Altcoin. Is he? Where? He's not live now. Is he live now? Market maker needs to return 50% with 100% accuracy or more like round about 100%. Yeah, so this is also, and it also have to be refined. So you also have to refine the levels. You know what I mean? So if you look, technically, yeah, it would be nice if it comes back 50. But if this is what you see on the higher time frame, and you would pull it from here, and it's just not that. But if you zoom into the lower time frame, you will see this, for example. You know, so it depends, because if you would pull this level here, so this here is this here, okay? This here is this here. So technically, and let's say this is the 4 hour and this is the 15 minute, right? This is the 4 hour and this is the 15 minute, right? So if you would pull this from here to here, it's not 50%. But if you go down in the lower time frame and you see that the 50% happened on the 15 minute, and then even on the hourly it's good, then it's great. So technically, because of the algorithm, it should go below 50, but you gotta refine it to at least the 15 minute. But take it with a grain of salt, it's a bull market. Okay, so all the soul addresses. Why we prefer YouTube instead of this? Yeah, gotcha. Ren hates WorldCoin. Yeah, I agree. It's a piece of shit. I mean, you know, there's what I will tell you one thing. I would never ever scan my eyeball for some fucking tokens, for anything for that matter. It's just, you don't know what the future holds. You know, your eyeballs, it's literally you've got two. That's it, and it's not changing. It's not like you can grow a beard or cut a hair. It's not like that. It's like it is what it is. So by you scanning your eyeball, you're basically done. Like you sold your soul. So I would not do that. Thoughts on Beam? Let's go. Let's fucking go. Same thing. 50% retrace. 50% retrace. Potential push higher. You're waiting for a 5-minute market structure shift. You're almost getting it. Look. But then again, you need to wait for the. The problem is that it's bleeding down. It's bleeding heavy. So you need to wait for the 50 and then confirm. Looks good. For spot. Looks good. Massive liquidity built up. I don't know much about the project is also good, but I don't follow the news on it. Looks good for spot. Looks good. Targeting new all-time highs. All high. Is it price discovery here? Yes, it is. 44, about 4.4 cents. Thank you, Patrick. Thanks for being here. This bro needs a bull horn. First time watching you live, great show. I'm already subscribed long time ago. Let's freaking go. I'm gonna tell you again. I made another YouTube channel. Again, I'm not even gonna push this that much, but I want to show you. So I made another YouTube channel to share my thoughts and stuff. So like, it's down here in the description of this video. It's just gonna be me doing these kind of videos. If you want to follow that, it's cool. I think it's fun. But, you know, follow my journey. You can do it there. Okay, let's go. Let's see what we have here. What else we have? Much better. First time watching you live, I was talking about that. What? Don't you sell your soul? Yeah. Pun intended, my friend. Very nice. I have a total DGen play in meme coin. Look at 𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗧. Tiny market cap and I believe best narrative in crypto. 𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗧 is a legend with good intentions and wrong calls. What's better as meme? And it go rugged also before. Let's look at it, guys. You decide. I'm not in this coin. Let me look at my meme coin portfolio. I haven't even looked at my meme portfolio. I have such a DGen play, but I don't dare to share it with you. I have a very good token that I bought and I'm holding for. And I also bought some NFTs. Okay, let's talk about this because that's crazy. Okay, so this is like now the chat part. Send the soul addresses here. We're gonna select at the end of the show. Gonna give away $20 worth of soul. We've got 2 people watching on Twitch. Okay, couple. This is I have to put this up, guys. I have to put this up. The content of this The content of this video is for informational purposes and not financial advice. Good. So let's look at this. It's on BNB, is it? Almost a mil market cap. 26,000 liquidity. Circling supply, 900 million. Good number of holders. That's not bad, but there's no liquidity. I think the BNB meme, like the Binance memes, will have their season. I think it's interesting. This was the rug, and this was the rug. Good. Oh, and this was the rug. Oh, it's actually not, oh, it's actually very old. It's almost a year old. Wow. Okay, good. Let me look at this. What else? Thanks for the show. Yeah. Thanks for the show. Yep. Enjoyed it like the airplane. Thank you for being here. Is Twitch? Yeah, apparently it is. People watch there. I don't know. Probably a bunch of teens, maybe. Boom is no, I don't know. I made money on Boom, but I don't know. Oh, did he? Is Ren plugging my trading coin? That's good. Let's look at. Oh, do I see Pedro being live as well? Let's look at him. Oh, Pedro is live.
Só que o problema é que os malandros da leva desmontaram agora.
He's talking Portuguese. He's my buddy. Go follow Pedro Silva. Last of Crypto.
Ok.
And if you're Portugal,
ontem até, inclusivamente.
Go check him out.
Mas neste momento temos exatamente o oposto, ou seja, temos o mercado.
Pedro, we love you, but we don't understand a word, so. Oh, Ren, I have no idea this happened. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's awesome. Nice. Live in 1 hour. Load up your bags. I did not know this was happening. That's pretty fucking cool. We've been talking about it yesterday as well. I think this thing can really fly. I don't think that a banter show can push this token, to be honest, because it's very big and whatever. But like, I think it's not. Again, it's not financial advice, but it's not a bad trade. I might add more. I might add more to the trade. I don't know. We'll see. What else? I wanted to show you this. So I bought. Oh, guys, I just want to tell you something. All honesty, we've got 57 people watching this show on YouTube. We had over 200 people tuned in from Twitter throughout the show. I missed this. I really fucking did miss it. It's you know, creating content is, I'm realizing creating content is very difficult. It's extremely difficult when you do the research, you plan, you put everything together that it is playable, and you try to boil stuff down in an easy way. It's stressful, it's difficult, it's time consuming, it's whatnot. So yeah, but I miss these live shows. I want to get back here. I want to build a channel. I want to chat. We have a crazy thing coming with Gustavo. You have no idea. It's going to be fucking legendary. It's going to be like, you are OGs. I'm telling you, it's going to be absolutely fucking incredible. Anyway, I just, you know, a little bit at the bottom of my heart. So here's the thing. Where did I buy this thing? Not 𝗕𝗬𝗕𝗓. Oh. So I bought this NFT. Now you're gonna laugh at me because I don't know where I bought it. What's the name of that site? I'm not an NFT DJ, by the way, just so you know. Camera quality looking fresh, bro. Because I shaved. No, I'm just joking. I have this so cool stuff. Look at this. I can do blur background. Look. It gives such a cool thing to it. It's just a nice touch. I also bought a t-shirt yesterday, so it's not like, it's like a, you know, just a nice paste t-shirt without any crazy thing. So any NFT DJs in the chat, please let me know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this. It's something like something where you can trade NFT, Sol NFT. The fuck is the name of that platform? Tensor. That's what I'm looking for. Tensor. Thank you very much. Oh, our trade is not looking good, bruv. Music is good though. So I bought 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗧. Ali, shout out to Ali in Banter. He said this is gonna fly. So I bought 2. They are here for a long time now, but the reason why I bought them is because they are like literally, this brand is literally in like 40, look at this, available 1,149 Zara stores worldwide. Like this brand, 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗧, is available worldwide. So they have major partnerships and whatever. I do not see any possibility of them not doing some kind of something. If you look at their, again, I'm a complete NFT noob, so don't even listen to me, but I just want to show you, where can I see the charts here? I should be able to see the chart somewhere. Can I like see the chart of these? So like, let's look at rarity. I bought one of these legendary and this mythic one. I think I'm already up. How much did I buy it for? So I'm a complete NFT noob. Is anybody doing NFTs? Oh fuck, I bought it for... I bought it for 5, what? I bought it for 6.4. I bought it for 6.4. It's up at 8, 2 Solana. That's awesome. I bought it yesterday. That's pretty cool. Okay, anyway, it's just something to look at. I bought them, but I saw the chart going like, you know, no, I think I can, there we go. There we go. This is what I'm talking about. 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗧. So they were, so I'm a complete NFT noob. I know nothing about NFTs, like very little. And then these guys just telling me that this is good. I'm like, okay, let's do it. There were NFTs in 2022 and 2023 that sold for hundreds of souls. Hundreds. So one of these mythic, if you look at this, one of these mythic NFT, this sold. I also bought one of these. I actually bought it in a bargain. I'll tell you, I bought it for 16 Solanas. 16. There was one here at 16 when I came here, and I'm like, if this is gonna be anything, I'm you know. Okay, so this one of these, I don't know which one, but these ones were worth, look at this, it's 250 Solanas. 268 Solanas in 2022 December. So if they can do anything, the bull is here and they can pull it off and whatever. Since then, it's basically just slow bleed down. So if we're gonna have an NFT season, I think, you know, this can be interesting. And then I also bought this. Again, not financial, I have no idea what these are. I'm just buying, you know? I don't know. Just listening to the guys who know what these are. I think I'm down on these. I paid 2.6 for mine. But it's 1 day, so it's a long-term price. So these are also, I don't really like the idea behind this, like crackhead cats or something like that. But I bought one because if it goes up in price, why not? So let me look at it. And also Gustavus feels that cats will, you know, like the whole narrative, I actually agree with him. Like his whole narrative is that cats will flip dogs this cycle. And let's see. So 22 souls, so if you bought that, it's 10x. I don't know. It's just something that is interesting to look at. Okay, let me look. So people are saying camera quality. Yeah, I have to bring this up again because why not? Oof, we're not getting smoked. That's good. What is it? New York is opening. New York is opening. New York is opening now. I think it's New York is opening now. Oh no, it's an hour from now. Sorry, it's the whole time. Yes, it's 9:30 a.m. their time, so we've still got an hour until New York opens. That's very good. Then probably gonna get another flush. This music is good, guys. I could be a DJ as well. Hope to keep seeing you more. You will. Let's fucking go. Doing great job you being here. Banter rocks, I agree. Great show and teaching. Love. First time watchers should watch Fefe's awesome guide from last week. That's absolutely true. It's on Solana. This is the address for couple. No. It's not looking good, bruv, is my motto recently. Let's look at my trades though. Altcoin is recovering. I'm only down $2,200. Okay, let me look. Run. Importing pain. You watched the wrong couple. Okay, sorry. Magic Eden. No, it was this Tensor. I might have to get out of this position, guys. I might have to get out of this position because this position is probably gonna get flushed one more time. I thought because of the whole time difference, Europe, not Europe, States, whatever, I thought it opens now, but it opens an hour from now. So I can send you one of the NFTs I minted on Phantom. They're all derived from original oil paintings and they only exist once, so only one exists. Yeah, let's go. DJ Fefe in the house. Okay, guys, pop your soul addresses in. I'm gonna cut the show soon. Let me know if you want any coins that I should look at. I'm gonna cut the show soon. I think I'm gonna cut this position. Doesn't make sense. I thought the market is opening now. But it is, again, you see, it is building up liquidity, so it is going to come up higher. It's good, but I'll just watch the addresses pour in. I'm gonna cut this position. Doesn't make sense. I thought. Gotta get the addresses in here. Okay, let's pick one lucky winner. Ha! YouTube. I picked YouTube. 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗙 was here. It's not now, and it's not a sole address. Jonas. Coming right up, sir. What's your view on 𝗕𝗢𝗙𝗢𝗙? I'm in from 90 to 100. Want to ride it back to all-time high. Should I sell now and buy later, or should I just hold for, like, dude, if it's, you know, if it's spot, you know what I think. Like, if it's spot, hold it. It's such a great. I'm just so you know. I think you've been here. I think you've been here when we've been doing it. Like, we literally got along here. At like some, I don't even remember, but it was like 60, 70, something like this. And we longed the fuck out of it. It was crazy. But if you're long spot, I would hold it. If you trust in the project, hold it. Technically, there's no reason for it to come down lower. And again, it's a bull, so yeah. Change the hour, daylight saving, exactly. Thanks for the show, Fefe. Much love, 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗙𝗖. Citus, we can look at it in a second. Why do you have always such a big delay in the chat in your live sessions? Look at it. Because there is the software and all that, you know, it sends it out to the ether and then it comes back and enter purchases in Trading Journal or CoinMarketCap. What does that mean? What do you mean? Evil, we can look at it as well. Chizo is dancing ladies, bunnies. This music is off the chain. Buy Bing. I do hold Bing as well. Bing, the sister of Bong. So I say Bing. Alright, good. Guys, I'm gonna send the Solana here. Gonna make sure to send it now, because otherwise I forget it. Then I want to tell you something before I go. I am dropping a crazy video on Bether this weekend. It's gonna shock you, but it's about crypto taxation. Nobody wants to talk about tax. Nobody. But there is a guy who I talk to. He's an expert. And I'm telling you, he is an expert. And he says, you're gonna get caught. The question is not if you're gonna get caught. The question is when you're gonna get caught. So in this show, we'll talk about why and how the IRS and all the tax authorities and whatever will catch you if you don't pay tax. Why you should pay your tax if you haven't paid in the past 4 months, because this is the best time to do it. I'll explain it in the show. And guys, it literally fucked with my mind. Like, if you have not paid your taxes, start thinking about it. Watch the show. Start thinking about paying taxes. I'm dead serious. I'm dead serious. Like we are at a point where it's seriously important to consider that. Like you have to. You're gonna get caught. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate all of you. Yeah, that's it. I just thank you. I just appreciate you. I love to do this. This is literally, I love to do this. I love to do this. So thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you can share it with your friends, if you can invite your family, your dog, your neighbor, your grandma, your grandpa, whatever, I appreciate that as well. And I see you around Twitter, hey? And I'll probably bring you another show on Monday. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Much love. I will see you in the next one.